So we can use the method. Let me show you. We can use count to count all the posts for each programming language. How many posts were there for assembly? How many posts were there for C? Or like that. And that we can do like this. We just say the reshaped df dot reshaped df dot reshaped df dot count method dot count and you call that function. Then you say, you can see each language has got the total number minus this not a number of each language that was post of each language that was done. So another thing that you can do is now to clean this data. This data is not clean. It has got not the number values. So we can clean this data and make sure it is up to task by making there is no clean, and we can assign this not a number. Maybe we remove them or we get them the another type that like zeros. Right, let's do it next lesson.